Good morning, class 8. In simple interest chapter, this is the continuation video. You remember I had told you to do this question, this all. But most of you have sent me a query that you are finding it difficult to do these three questions, C, D and E. I have made, so this video especially for these, and then again we shall proceed further, okay? Now if you see question number C, the principal is given as 6400, rate is not given and amount is missing. So this question is done somewhere out here. You can see it very clearly. Principal is given as 6400. Since rate was not given, I have kept my rate as R. And my time is very complicated here. They have said the time, instead of giving it in years, what they have done is 1st March 2016 to 25th September 2016. So it is given in days. So first of all, you calculate 1st March to 31st March, 31 days. Then the entire month of April, 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, and from 1st September to 25th September is 25 days. So these all together, if you add, it comes to 29 days. But as I said, is in simple interest, time cannot be considered in days, it has to be converted in years. So 209 out of 365 days, because in 1 year we have 365 days. So 209 divided by 365 years. So time is converted into years. And simple interest is given as 1600, which is already pre-mentioned in the question. Now if you see the solution of this, you put the formula SI is equals to PRT by 100 and substitute the values, and just for time you write it as 209 by 365. Now when you cancel the zeros and after cross multiplication, you get rate as 43.66, 43% rounded off. And then it is simple, amount is equals to P plus SI. Say P was already given 6400, SI is also given in the question 1600. So when you add these two, you'll get 8000. Now coming to question number D, if you see in question number D, principal is 8500, rate is 7.5%, time is missing, SI is missing. Now this is critical. When time is also not there, SI is also not there, you will not be able to put the formula SI is equals to PRT by 100, because we cannot have two unknown terms. But the good thing is amount is given as 11,500. So first of all, if you see here, time is missing, SI is missing. So before putting SI is equals to PRT by 100, we have the other formula. The other formula is amount is equals to P plus SI. So since amount is given, principal is also given, from here SI is found out. Amount is equals to P plus SI. So we make SI as the subject. So amount minus principal. So that is 11,500 was the amount, minus principal was 8,500. So we got as simple interest as 3,500. So yeah. So not 3,500, 3,000. We got the simple interest as 3,000. Now it is simple. See, now we can put the formula as SI is equals to P into R into T by 100. Where simple interest I write it as 3,000, principal 8,500, rate is 7.5, and time I write it as T as T divided by 100. So now after we strike out the zeros and we do the cross multiplication, we get time is equals to 3,000 divided by 637.5. So that is 4.7 years. This is the video for a second sum.